What it do, Motor City gang? This your boy Motorcity Nique. I'm checking back with another video, man. I'm out here working on this car. Got a little rain and shit out here, but it kind of stopped, so let's see. Time to go ahead and get my big 3 going, so I'm about to go ahead and knock this out real quick, and I'm gonna check back with you in a second. For those that don't know, big 3, man, they just help if you got sounds and stuff. So see, that's my sound wire. I'm just getting it ready for when I do upgrade my sounds and stuff. I ain't gonna have no issues, so you know, I ain't gotta worry about no alternator draining or no battery getting killed. So I'll show y'all how I get down with this mug. All right, y'all, back. See, man, I got my for the most part, I got my big 3 ran. Don't mind this wire. I work on my own stuff, so I know what it is. It's not a positive wire, for the record. It's just another ground. I just didn't have another black one, so. But this is another ground, which is going to the frame. If you can see, it's back there. It's kind of hard to see it, but a little focus. This one is grounded to the frame. For those that might not know too much about a big 3, this thick one right here, this other one, this goes to the positive side of the alternator. So you see that's connected to the positive side of the alternator right there. And then this one is another negative cable. And this goes directly to the chassis. So if you can see this frame piece right here, and you follow it all the way down, it's kind of hard, but that one, that frame is a screw that's notched to the chassis. I could have just put it directly on there like I did my Caprice, but same thing, pretty much same connection, man. So I'm just gonna run this, I'm just gonna run it like this and stuff. So I'm pretty sure the result's gonna be the same. If I notice something different and I feel like it ain't doing what it's supposed to do, then I'm gonna take the alternator off in the bracket, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it directly onto the head of the motor. But I don't know, I might be able to see. I'm trying to focus, but yeah, see that bolt right there connects directly to that bracket. So I'm about to button everything down real quick and take it for a drive and turn the sounds on and see how it go. But anybody that don't know, man, this is kind of like a quick tutorial of a big 3 on a B-body, anyone 91 through 96. This is 95, this one is 94. So hopefully I help y'all out, or if anybody was. Well, my big 3 wiring is all done. Before I finish this video off, I'll show what it looks like all buttoned down and stuff. I'm gonna take y'all, show y'all around this right here, so y'all can see my voltage meter. Sitting pretty solid right here, so it's not going down. I can turn my AC on. AC right now on full blast. My lights on, and at the same time I got my music playing, so it's real solid. It's holding strong. It's not going down. It seems like it's doing its job. I'm gonna still take it for a drive and stuff, but I will play my music, but I ain't really trying to get no copyright issues. So, but I turn it on to turn it off. See, I think it's done its job, man. I think I got it hooked up the way I wanted to. So once again, it's your boy Motorcity Nique, checking out with another video. Holla at y'all. Peace.